Metaploitable is a virtual machine image with known vulnerabilities that can be used for penetration testing in a virtual environment. In this video, I'm going to use VirtualBox from my virtual environment. The first step is to download the Metaploitable image file to your computer. Navigate to the Metaploitable download page. I'll put a link for the download in the comments of this video. The file is relatively small. After the download is complete, move the zipped file to your virtual machine folder and extract the contents. If you do not have a virtual machine folder, I would recommend that you create one to keep all of your virtual machines organized. Open the folder and ensure that the 5 files are present. Open your VirtualBox Manager and create a new Linux machine. Give the machine a name. Select Linux and Debian 32-bit. Allocate your memory. I used 1024 megabytes. Use the Create a Virtual Hard Disk Now option. Ensure that VDI hard disk type is selected. Select Dynamically Allocated. Assign a minimum of 8 gigabytes for the hard drive size. Click Create. The machine is created. Now we need to install the OS on the machine. Open the settings for the new machine. Go to the Storage menu. Select the Metaploitable SATA drive. Browse for the downloaded Metaploitable image. Click OK after verifying the image is assigned to the drive. Reopen the Settings menu. Go to the System menu. Select the Processor tab. Put a check mark in the Enable PAE/NX. Click OK. We are now ready to start the Metaploitable machine for the first time. The machine will display the startup script's results and eventually display a command prompt. Log in with the username and password, both of which are MSFadmin. And check the IP address and connections with the ifconfig command. The virtual machine can be shut down with the sudo shutdown -h now command. I want to work with the Kali Linux machine and the Metaploitable machine in a controlled environment. So I'm going to assign both virtual machines to an internal switch, vlocal. that does not have access to anything outside of the virtual machines. With the virtual machine off, go to Settings and select Network. Select Adapter 1. Use the internal network in the Attach to selection box. If there is no name in the name field, simply supply a name to create an internal switch. In my example, I'm using vLocal. Ensure vLocal is selected. Start the Metaploitable virtual machine. Check the IP address. It needs to be on the same network as the Kali virtual machine. The network I am using is 192.168.3.0/24. I need to change the IP address of the Metaploitable virtual machine. The command for that is sudo ifconfig etho 192.168.3.5 netmask 255.255.255.0 up. Run ifconfig to verify the change. I'm going to start my Kali virtual machine that has already been attached to the internal switch vLocal. The steps to connect a Kali machine to the same switch are the same as we did with the Metaploitable. Open a terminal window in Kali. Run ifconfig to verify that the Kali virtual machine is on the same network. Run a ping command against the IP address of the Metaploitable virtual machine to verify connectivity. A successful ping indicates that you are ready to run vulnerability and penetration testing from the Kali virtual machine against the Metaploitable virtual machine. Congratulations.